I gave it my all. Spent hours planning, editing, and uploading. Only a handful of views. This feels like a failure.
This is the biggest mistake you can make as a new YouTuber, giving up too soon. The first video, the first week, or even the first month doesn't define your journey. Consistency, analysis, and improvement do. As you can see, this is our channel. The first video got about 65 views and 1.6 watch hours, and we've gained 5 subscribers. That's not bad for a start, but the video didn't perform as well as we expected. We received around 1,000 impressions, but only 36 clicks. That's a click-through rate of 3.6%, which is quite low. This indicates we have a problem, and it's most likely with the thumbnail. I don't think the issue is the title, but the thumbnail might not have been engaging enough to attract clicks. It's worth noting that we uploaded this video just 1 day ago. Based on what I know about YouTube's algorithm, it usually takes around 48 hours for the platform to push a video further. So, there's still a chance the video could gain traction. However, at this point, I'm not confident it will perform significantly better. This situation can feel discouraging. It's easy to think about stopping, to avoid the effort of editing and uploading more videos. But instead of giving up, we need to focus on improving. The first step is addressing the low impressions click-through rate. With 1,000 impressions and only 65 views, we clearly need to enhance the quality of our thumbnails and make them more eye-catching. Additionally, we need to work on improving the overall video quality to increase watch time and engagement. I tried using some tools to help with thumbnails, but I didn't find anything particularly useful. So, for now, I'll stick with my current process. Despite the challenges with our first video, we're not stopping. Instead, we're moving on to the next step. Today, we're starting something new, creating another channel focused on quizzes. Let's dive into that process. First, I started by researching the quiz niche. It's one of the simplest niches to understand, but finding the right sub-niche is key. As you can see, I explored different topics, and while the niche itself has a lot of views, not all sub-niches are equally competitive or promising. For example, some sub-niches might have a growth ceiling even if they seem good initially. One interesting observation was that within certain niches, like quizzes, there are specific ideas with millions of views. That's a positive sign. However, some sub-niches, like piano lessons, just as an example, might not be as competitive but also don't generate much engagement. The top videos barely reach 200,000 views. This highlights the importance of choosing a sub-niche with both growth potential and manageable competition. Next, I used VidIQ, which is a fantastic tool for keyword research. I started by searching for general terms like quiz, and while the search volume was high, the competition was also extremely high. That's not ideal for a new channel. Then, I refined my search to emoji quizzes, which had decent search volume and lower competition. Eventually, I stumbled upon anime quizzes, and this turned out to be the perfect choice. It has high search volume and very low competition. I also found some outliers. For example, there's a video titled The Ultimate Anime Random Quiz, which performs 9.3 times better than the average video on its channel. That's a strong indicator that the idea works. After finalizing the niche, I started planning the content. I used Canva to create the intro, outro, and thumbnail. For example, I searched for anime templates, found one I liked, and customized it. I even used ChatGPT to help generate quiz questions and answer choices. It made the process faster. For editing, I used CapCut. I combined all the Canva designs with some sound effects and animations. I added a timer to the quiz and matched everything together. The text effects and transitions were simple but effective. Once the video was complete, I uploaded it. Now, let's check the analytics. The video has been live for just 18 hours, and the click-through rate is better than the previous one. We also got around 5 minutes of average watch time on a 5-minute video, not bad. Next, I'm planning to create a character guess quiz. The audience will guess a character based on parts like their eyes or silhouette. That's it for today's video. We've learned a lot about finding the right niche, creating engaging content, and analyzing performance to improve future videos. We've used tools like VidIQ, CapCut, ChatGPT, Canva, Clipchamp, and also Krea AI. This journey is just getting started, and there's so much more to explore. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any updates or tips from our experiment. Got questions or ideas for us? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep creating.